SJVN, Harnessing the Power of Water to Fuel Progress. Introduction. SJVN, short for Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam, is a premier hydroelectric power generation company in India. Established to harness the immense potential of the Himalayan rivers, SJVN has played a pivotal role in providing sustainable energy solutions. This case study explores the history, achievements, and the significant impact of SJVN in the realm of hydroelectric power. Early beginnings. SJVN was incorporated on May 24, 1988, as a joint venture between the Government of India and the Government of Himachal Pradesh. The primary objective was to plan, investigate, organize, execute, operate, and maintain hydroelectric power projects. The vision was to utilize the vast untapped hydroelectric potential of the Himalayan region, starting with the Satluj River Basin. Flagship project, Nathpa Jhakri Hydroelectric Power Station. The journey of SJVN began with the Nathpa Jhakri Hydroelectric Power Station, located on the Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh. This project, with an installed capacity of 1,500 megawatts, is the largest underground hydroelectric power station in India. Completed in 2003, the Nathpa Jhakri project marked a significant milestone for SJVN, showcasing its engineering prowess and capability to undertake large-scale hydroelectric projects. Expansion and diversification. Following the success of Nathpa Jhakri, SJVN embarked on an ambitious expansion plan. The company ventured into new projects across India and neighboring countries like Nepal and Bhutan. Some notable projects include 1. Rampur Hydroelectric Project. With a capacity of 412 megawatts, this project, located downstream of Nathpa Jhakri, further strengthened SJVN's foothold in the hydroelectric sector. 2. Arun 3 Hydroelectric Project. Located in Nepal, this project with a capacity of 900 megawatts marked SJVN's entry into the international arena, fostering cross-border energy cooperation. Achievements and milestones. Over the years, SJVN has achieved numerous milestones, contributing significantly to India's renewable energy sector. 1. Operational excellence. SJVN's hydroelectric projects are known for their high efficiency and reliability. The Nathpa Jhakri project, for instance, consistently operates at a high plant load factor, ensuring maximum utilization of resources. 2. Sustainable development. SJVN is committed to sustainable development. The company undertakes extensive environmental and social initiatives, including afforestation programs, wildlife conservation, and community development projects. 3. Capacity expansion. SJVN has expanded its installed capacity beyond hydroelectric power. The company is now exploring solar and wind energy projects, aligning with India's renewable energy goals. Challenges and overcoming adversities. Like any major enterprise, SJVN faced several challenges, including environmental concerns, land acquisition issues, and technological hurdles. However, the company's commitment to innovation and stakeholder engagement has enabled it to overcome these challenges and continue its growth trajectory. Future prospects. Looking ahead, SJVN has set ambitious goals to significantly increase its installed capacity. The company aims to diversify its portfolio further by tapping into solar and wind energy, ensuring a balanced and sustainable energy mix. Additionally, SJVN is exploring opportunities in energy storage solutions to enhance grid stability and efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, SJVN's journey is a testament to its visionary leadership, engineering excellence, and commitment to sustainable development. By harnessing the power of water, SJVN has not only contributed to India's energy security but also paved the way for a greener and more sustainable future. As SJVN continues to innovate and expand, it remains a shining example of how renewable energy can drive progress and prosperity. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.